Powerball jackpot soars to $1.3 billion after lengthy delay. Des Moines, Iowa, AP, in a suspenseful saga that kept lottery aficionados on the edge of their seats. The highly anticipated Powerball drawing for an estimated $1.3 billion jackpot finally unfolded in the early hours of Sunday morning. However, the excitement was preceded by an unexpected delay of over 3 hours, adding an extra layer of anticipation to an already monumental event. The draw numbers, announced amidst a flurry of excitement, were 22, 27, 44, 52, 69, with the red Powerball number lighting up as 9. Each digit held the promise of life-altering wealth for one lucky ticket holder, amidst a fervor that had gripped the nation. This particular drawing etched its place in history as the 41st occasion since the last jackpot triumph on New Year's Day. This streak tied records previously set in both 2022 and 2021, amplifying the sense of anticipation and wonder surrounding the monumental jackpot. The staggering size of the jackpot, now ranked as the 8th largest in the storied annals of U.S. lottery history, is a testament to the extraordinary allure of the Powerball. Its growth to such astronomical heights can be attributed to the formidable odds stacked against potential winners, a daunting 1 in 292.2 million, making victory seem nothing short of miraculous. The rarity of a win allows the top prize to swell exponentially, rolling over 3 times per week for months on end, fueling dreams of untold riches and newfound possibilities. The estimated $1.3 billion prize, a staggering sum by any measure, is designated for a sole victor and is dispersed through an annuity structure. This entails an initial lump sum followed by 29 annual payments, ensuring a steady stream of wealth for the fortunate recipient. However, in practice, winners overwhelmingly opt for the cash payout, a substantial windfall that stood at an estimated $608.9 million for Saturday night's drawing. Yet, the culmination of this grand spectacle was not without its twists and turns. Saturday night's drawing, slated for the customary 10:59 p.m. Eastern Time, faced unexpected delays, pushing the commencement time to just before 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Sunday. Powerball officials clarified in a statement that the delay was necessitated by rigorous adherence to game rules, which mandate thorough verification of every ticket sold nationwide against 2 distinct computer systems before the winning numbers are drawn. Powerball game rules require that every single ticket sold nationwide be checked and verified against 2 different computer systems before the winning numbers are drawn, the statement underscored. This is done to ensure that every ticket sold for the Powerball drawing has been accounted for and has an equal chance to win. Tonight, we have one jurisdiction that needs extra time to complete that pre-draw process. Powerball, a ubiquitous fixture in the world of lottery gaming, spans across 45 states, including Washington, D.C., Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Its allure transcends geographic boundaries, captivating the imagination of millions with dreams of unimaginable wealth and boundless opportunity. As the drawn numbers reverberated across the nation, signaling both jubilation and disappointment in equal measure, the Powerball Frenzy showed no signs of abating. For those who dared to dream, the promise of a jackpot windfall remained tantalizingly within reach, fueling aspirations of a life transformed by the luck of the draw.